Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a close look at the MEIENXIUS Starlink Mini Magnetic Mount. A heavy-duty, no-drill roof mount designed specifically for Starlink Mini users. If you're someone who's always on the move with an RV, van, or truck and relies on Starlink for internet connectivity, this could be the accessory you didn't know you needed. This mount is purpose-built for the Starlink Mini, meaning it isn't just a generic solution. It features a precision-fit frame that keeps your dish properly aligned and stable on your vehicle roof. The setup is straightforward. Tighten the wing screws just enough to secure the dish, without worrying about over-tightening. What really stands out about this mount is its magnetic stability. It comes with 4 oversized 3.5-inch N52 magnets embedded in a heavy-duty aluminum alloy base. These magnets lock your Starlink Mini firmly onto any magnetic steel roof, designed to withstand wind, vibration, and movement while driving. Whether you're cruising down the highway or parked in a windy area, the dish stays in place. One of the biggest advantages is the no-drill installation. This mount attaches in minutes without tools or permanent modifications to your vehicle. The rubber-protected magnetic bases provide a strong grip while preventing scratches on your roof, which is perfect for rental vehicles, fleet use, or anyone who wants a portable solution without altering their ride. Durability is another key feature. The mount is constructed from rigid, rust-resistant steel alloy, making it reliable in sun, rain, snow, or even coastal environments. Its lightweight design, weighing just under 4 pounds, makes it easy to carry, move between vehicles, and store when not in use. It's truly built for life on the road, ideal for remote work, emergency connectivity, RV travel, and off-grid adventures. For safe and optimal use, it's important to place each magnet fully flush on a clean magnetic metal surface. The high-strength magnets are powerful, so handle with care. Included in the package are 20 rubber cushioning dots and an accessory bag, ensuring your Starlink Mini stays protected while mounted. Overall, this Starlink Mini magnetic mount combines precision, portability, and durability. If you need a secure, flexible, and non-permanent mounting solution for your Starlink Mini, this mount delivers without compromise. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth product breakdowns. See you in the next video.